Pfizer CEO's huge stock sell-off. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.heise here, and welcome to another episode of Heise Says US. Grab your stein of coffee, because we're going to have a look at an article from CNBC which is discussing, well, the big share sell-off, or stock sell-off of the Pfizer CEO. He sold $5.6 million of stock. Okay, or maybe he's just, wanting to diversify his portfolio. He wants to take some money out. You know what? He probably just needs to buy another house or a gift for a family member. I'm certain it has nothing to do with this huge spike right here you can see climbing up to the moon, as they say in crypto, with the announcement of their vaccine data. It literally sent their shares skyrocketing. So could this be why the release was after the election? To time with a certain CEO selling millions of dollars worth of stock. We'll have to see. So let's have a look at this article, everyone. Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla sold almost $5.6 million worth of stock on Monday, the same day the drug maker announced positive early data on its experimental coronavirus vaccine that sent shares soaring. Shares in Pfizer jumped almost 15% on Monday after the company and its partner, BioNTech, said its vaccine was more than 90% effective in preventing COVID-19 among those in the trial without evidence of prior infection. He sold 132,508 shares at an average price of $41.94 per share. And if we jump back now, we're sitting at $38.43. And the day before is at $36. So it's, what's that, a $5-6 jump on each share? You got to be in it to win it, guys. Or nearly $5.6 million, according to a securities filing. The sale was part of a pre-scheduled 10b5-1 trading plan, which was adopted on August 19th, the filing shows, as the company was enrolling participants in its late-stage trials. So were they... Oh, there you go. So maybe that explains the timing of the media release. What do you think? What do you reckon, guys? Or was it just a complete coincidence? It's unclear when Bourla found out about the positive vaccine data, though another executive, Dr. Karen Jansen, the head of vaccine research and development at Pfizer, told the New York Times she learned of the results at 1 p.m. on Sunday. 1 p.m. on Sunday. There you go, everyone. That date is the 8th. So, well, if it was already pre-planned and they learned about it then, it just seems so convenient. The sale accounted for 61.8% of the shares owned both directly and indirectly by Bourla. He still owns 81,812 either directly or indirectly, the filing shows. Pfizer confirmed the sale in a statement and added that he has a larger holding in the company through the company's qualified and non-qualified savings plan, which likely means stock options. After being with the company for more than 25 years, Albert owns a substantial amount of Pfizer stock under our qualified and non-qualified savings plans, a Pfizer spokesperson said in a statement. He now holds approximately 9 times his salary in Pfizer stock after the sale this week. According to the company's 2019 proxy report, Bourla, who became CEO on the 1st of January 2019, was being paid a base salary of $1.65 million starting April 1. 9 times the salary would be about $15 million worth of shares. Bird biotech analyst Brian Scorney defended the sale, saying that it's a highlight of how capitalism can work at its best. What's great about the biopharma industry is that there's an incentive scheme for private industry to come up with drugs that meaningfully change the healthcare dynamic in the country, he said in a phone interview. I don't know that there's even an example, certainly not in my lifetime, that I can point to, where something will have such a drastic positive effect on the whole world as a vaccine for COVID. The nearest one that comes to mind for me is the polio vaccine developed by Salk. But that's definitely not in my lifetime. Scorney said the Bourla fully deserves this, and that his profit from the sale is minuscule compared to the net benefit an effective COVID-19 vaccine will provide the world. More than just that, I feel like I should also send Albert some money myself to be thank you, he said. Come on. Such a sycophant. We have a sight line of getting to the end of this dark tunnel, and that is in a very large part due to the efforts of Pfizer and the chief executive. He is not the first pharmaceutical or biotech executive to cash in on his company's stocks gains during the pandemic. The top 5 executives at the biotech company, Moderna, which is another COVID-19 vaccine in development, have sold more than 80 million this year as the company's stock shot up more than 300% since January 1. But you've also got to know it's still only a trial. You don't know if it's going to be successful, how it's going to get rolled out. But Moderna, unlike Pfizer, accepted money from the US government to help fund the research and development of its COVID-19 vaccine through Operation Warp Speed, the Trump administration's effort to quickly bring a vaccine and therapeutics to market. Pfizer participated in Operation Warp Speed by accepting money for the acquisition and distribution of doses of the vaccine, but federal funding did not go towards the development of the vaccine. And while Moderna's stock has soared this year during the pandemic, Pfizer's stock is down more than 2% since January 1. Scorney said the company might not directly profit all that much from bringing a COVID-19 vaccine to market. It's unclear how much profit the vaccine will generate. Nonetheless, Jay Clayton, the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, has cautioned executives against selling stock amid the volatility of the pandemic because it could create bad optics. And that's what's happened here, perhaps. It's terrible optics, just terrible, terrible optics. Just when they have this big announcement, he sold. Couldn't he? Would it be possible to cancel the sale? Like, maybe not. Maybe not if it's been filed and planned. Maybe that's the whole point of it. If you're an executive of a public company in a time like this, there may be idiosyncratic circumstances where you would be in the market. But as we've said for a long time, in this volatile time, please practice good corporate hygiene, he told CNBC in May. Why would you want to even raise the question that you were doing something that was inappropriate? So there we have it, everyone. Let's jump over to TradingView while I have a shot of coffee. What do you think? Just a coincidence? I mean, look at that rise. Let's go to year to date. And you can see, yeah, they're still down. They're still down on the year. Look at that plunge. Look at that plunge there shooting up. What's the technicals? The same buy. Let's look at some of the ideas. What ideas are people telling us about this company? Long, 1 week ago, all-time high at $50.03. So that's his prediction. Okay, and we'll play this out here. And nothing's happened. Okay, so this is his prediction. So we've got that. We've ended here. So we'll have to see if this prediction goes. Will it hit to $50? What do you think, everyone? Let's have a look at what other ideas there are. Oh, wait, no, I don't want Bitcoin ideas. I want Pfizer ideas. Okay, and what else? All-time high at $50. Vaccine hope. Long on Pfizer. This is from November 10. We can see here, buy above. So I'll leave this to all the technical experts to see what's going to happen. What do you reckon, guys? Is it a company that you would consider investing in? Do you think they'll make money from the vaccine, or is it just general hope in the economy? Are there other stocks or shares that you're considering? Are you jumping out of, the stay-at-home market? We'll bring up TradingView and let's have a look at a few. Dow Jones is at 29,000. The S&P 500 is at 35.76. NASDAQ is at 11,885. The US is, or the Australian dollar is at 72 US cents. So we're down, you're up. Same on the pound, US dollar is up. Euro, US dollar is up. So we can see here, there you go. Markets are all shooting to the moon. So let me know what you think, guys. Is this a company you would invest in? Do you think it's just a matter of chance that this happened? Or is it a little bit more dodgy? As always, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're a fan and want to support the content I create here, there are a few ways you can. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. You can support us using our affiliate links at Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or KuCoin. You can buy a merch from Heise Says, use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint, or support us via PayPal. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.